Hi guys, how are you all doing? Today what we're going to talk about is preparing fresh shrimp. Now obviously most people buy frozen shrimp, but in Thailand we use fresh shrimp. Okay, very easy to prepare, nothing to be scared of. So I'll show you how to prepare fresh shrimp for cooking in your Thai meals. So let's prepare our shrimp. Right, what we need to do is we need to twist off the head and discard that, we don't need it. And running all the way down the back of the shrimp and the sides is like a clear shell, but you can take it off with your finger, but I will use a knife. The knife is a lot easier to get under and just lift off. Now we're just going to take it off all the way down the shrimp, but to leave the last one with the tail. I want to keep the tail on today. Now you can actually just pull the tail off, but I want to keep it on today. Okay, we just take off these last legs. We don't need those. And there we have our shrimp. All the shell taken off apart from the last one, where the tail is. I want to keep it on today. Now if you wanted to take it off, you would just twist the shrimp and pull, and it would come off, and then you would just have the shrimp meat. Okay, let's do another one. Let's show you another one. So, and on this one what we have like a red colouring on the top of the head. Now that red colouring is actually where the eggs are inside. So when you twist off the head, it is a bit gungy. But not to worry, we just discard the gunge. So twist off the head, there you can see all the gunge. And then all we do is just take it off. Okay, and again what we want to do is take off the shell, and I'm going to use a knife again. It's a lot easier than sticking your finger under the shell and trying to pull it off. It comes off very quickly with a knife. So again I'm going to take it all the way down to the last one on the shrimp, just down to the top of the tail. Again, I want to keep the tail on the shrimp. When cooking the shrimp, it does look a little bit better for presentation if the tail is on. Right, now to clean out the back, what we need to do is run a knife all the way down the center of the shrimp. That will butterfly open the shrimp, but that will also show us where the vein is that we need to devein inside. Now if we use a toothpick, we can actually just take out the vein. We don't need that. That is where all the gunk is in the shrimp. We need to just take it out, discard it. Okay, let's show you another one. So again, we run the knife all the way down the middle of the shrimp. So we cut into the shrimp, which will butterfly the shrimp open, exposing the vein that we need to take out. And again with a toothpick, I mean you can do it with your fingers or you can use your knife, but with a toothpick you can just get under the vein and pull it out. And there's our shrimp butterflied. All we need now is to rinse the shrimp under the tap or in water, and then we have clean deveined shrimp ready for cooking. So there we are guys, that's our amazing shrimp ready for cooking. How easy is that?